Welcome back to Tomorrow Day Farms, guys. Today we're going to work on some sweet onion jam, and I am triple batching it, but in the description below I will have the single recipe for you. And I've got it already started, so I'm just going to pause you and move you and shut my door so you don't have to listen to my house chickens anymore. And we're going to get making this delicious jam. Okay guys, so yesterday I put 30 cups roughly of sweet Spanish onions in this pot and cooked it for 6 hours and then finished it up this morning. So this is caramelized onions, and it's now 10 o'clock. They've been on since 7 finishing up. When you do them in volume in a big pot like this, it does take much longer. If you do it in a oblong, it won't take as long, okay? So, to this, I am going to add my brown sugar. Like I said, I'm not going to say measurements because I am tripling this, but it's a whole lot of, okay? So, I'm dropping in my brown sugar, and I do make that myself. I am going to turn this up a bit now because I had it on low. Okay. And this recipe I've kind of taken from the Bernardin canning book and then just kind of added my own flair to it. Okay. But those onions are cooked just beautifully. Get the brown sugar in there. Now I'm going to add my balsamic vinegar. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to need everything I have here. And then we're going to add some salt. But this is a really good jam, guys. Oh my goodness, that's going to take me forever. I'm going to pop that out. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the vinegar, or get the vinegar all measured out, and then I'll bring you right back. Alright guys, I got my balsamic vinegar in there. I'm now going to add my salt. Okay, I'm just going to let this come up to a boil, get really thick, and then I'm going to get my water bath canner on because this is water bath canning, and we are going to get jarring up this, and then I can put it up for sale. How awesome is that? Alright, I will bring you guys back when it gets all nice and thick and bubbly, and we'll get canning. Okay guys, here we go. So this is after I added everything and everybody has tasted it. I did have to add another cup of brown sugar. When you make your own brown sugar, right, it sometimes takes a few tries to get it just right. But this is cooking for 2 hours, okay? So it's all thick now, and it'll thicken more in the processing time. I have all my jars hot in my canner, sanitized, everything is going. So I am going to turn this off now, and there's very little drips. So I know it's thick, and it's only going to thicken a little bit more as it sits. So this is reduced by half. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So we're going to get this canned up, guys. I'm going to get you guys set up for canning, and we're going to get boogieing. Alright guys, we're going to get these filled up here. I have my canner back up to high. 2 jars are sanitized. And I am going to get... So we use this a lot on meatloaf, burgers, anything like that. 1/4 inch headspace, guys. And, ooh, that's hot. And, we've even used it on pork. It's really versatile, but it's really good. And I'm using up what I have in the house. So that is great as well. Just a little bit more. Do a couple jars here with you guys, and then I will show you what I got. And guys, this stuff is sticky and extremely hot. So, Michael says, and delicious. And so watch your hands, okay? So now we're going to debubble. And this will process for 10 minutes, okay? And I have a lot of jars to do. So, but we're going to do these ones together, and then I'll show you what I get when I'm all done. Wipe those rims really, really well. You don't want any of that sugar on there. Just want to make sure you guys can see those gorgeous jars. Yes, you can. Okay. I'm going to put a ring on there and a lid. Not going to work today. Fingertip tight, guys. So yeah, it is a little time consuming with the cooking of the onions and stuff, but it's worth it, I think. Alright guys, I'm going to get these into the canner. I'm going to finish up this pot, and then I'll bring you right back. Alright guys, here we go. I'm just taking out the last of my jars. And I got a good amount here. And I'm super happy with that. And there we go. Last ones. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I know what you are and are not liking on the video. And if you think someone can use this, please share it. And if there should be some more canning videos coming up. Just going over our canning list and inventory now. So if there's things I can do now, I'm going to get them done. But thanks for hanging out with me today, guys, while I make this. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you super soon. Bye.